What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $570 daily from Google News. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below. And please tell me if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up. I'm at 295. I'm trying to get to 500 followers. So follow me there, and make sure you type hashtag the grind is real when you DM me or leave a post. Or leave a comment on one of my posts. So please follow me at AppGrind on Instagram. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss any steps that you need to take to make this money. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at Google News. So what you're going to do when you come here, you're going to look at the top stories, and here are the top stories right here. Now on the side over here, they got categories. So you want to pick the best categories so you can pull up some articles. So a good category is science or health. So let's just click on health. All right, so here's one right here. Early trial results show Sinovac vaccine triggers immune response. So they're talking about COVID on these articles right here. And also you can click on, that's the latest, because that's the top one right now, the latest one. But you can also click on medicine, healthcare, mental care, nutrition, fitness. So you know, fitness is always a very popular subject dealing with health. So let's click on that. And this is the latest one, Navy Physical Fitness Assessment to resume in March. And here's one, this is probably real popular, 23 best fitness gifts for men in 2020. So let's click on that. So you're just going to click on that. It's going to come up, and what you're going to do is copy the article. So let's just copy this. I'm just doing this as an example, but you probably want to copy the whole article. Anyway, let's just copy this. And what we're going to do, I'm going to take you to this other website where they have a tool where it's going to write the article for you. It's going to change it around and it's not going to be the same as this, because you don't want any plagiarizing going on when you submit this article to another website. I'm going to show you where you're going to make some money. So we're going to copy this and we're going to go to the next website. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and I'm at this website that has this tool. It's called Article Rewriter Tool. So this tool will rewrite an article for you and put it in your own words. Well, the tool own words. So what we're going to do is just paste what we just copied from that other site, I think from Google News site, and then you just click right here where it says I'm not a robot. Click rewrite text. Give it a few seconds. And as a result, right there. And as you can see, they did say some different things than the original article. So it says here, we gather together our #1 health and wellness endowments since everybody has acquired a second to deal with themselves. And this one said, we rounded up our favorite wellness and fitness gifts because everyone has earned a moment to take care of themselves. So they said it a little bit different. So once you get your result, you're going to go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go to the last website where you can submit this and make some good money. So let's go to that website right now. All right, I'm at the next website. And the name of this is The American Scholar. So once we get here, let's just scroll down here, and I'm going to show you how much you're going to make for submitting this article. So it says submissions will be carefully reviewed, but responses may take several months. That's the only downfall on this, guys. It might take some months for you to get a response. And it says we pay up to $500 for accepted pieces and up to $250 for pieces taken only for our website. Guys, that's a lot of money for just an article. You know what I'm saying? So, and then you're not even writing an article. You taking an article, using that tool to rewrite that article, and all you have to do is come over here with that new article and submit it over here. And that's the steps, guys. And you can make some good money doing that. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some money with this method using Google News, go ahead and go to googlenews.com, then use the rewriter tool, and then come to American Scholar and submit that new article that the rewriter tool wrote and get paid. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes, because it's going to help me. It's going to help the algorithm get to more people, get my video to more people out there, because I need more people to check out this information, because I want to help everybody I can. And please drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online. I really, really do. And I want to help people become financially free. Like I'm on my way to be financially free, and I want you guys and everybody else to be financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' support. I want you guys to drop a creative comment, because I'm gonna start doing some shout outs, it can really help your guys' channel if I can, shout your channel out. If you're trying to grow your channel, trying to get that 1,000 subscribers so you can start getting ads on your YouTube channel, please drop a creative comment down in the comments below. And also watch out for that code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. Now, one more thing before I go. Please subscribe to my other channels called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. I talk about making money online and also increasing your finance and personal development. And I also have a podcast show. Go check it out. It's under the same name, Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. And I also talk about personal finance and personal development over there too. And soon I'm going to start interviewing successful entrepreneurs on that podcast. So all that, both of those, the channel and the podcast is in the description below. So just click on the link, go over there, help me out, support me on those two platforms. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. But one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.